Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto, Zertuche, and as you can see, guys, I've got a lot of tackle in house today. Or actually, it's been a few days, but been dealing with the lighting over here. So, yes. All right. So I opened up the boxes because I needed to see what they were and confirm. So this one is.
Gotta buy it. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
From Babson, we got a bunch of guides in, and these are because we've got multiple Vexen rods that are the original mass production rod that we got in, but we wanted to upgrade the guides. So when we upgraded the guides, we went ahead and we got the better guides in that we're using. It's the same guides that we're using for our Team Hard Life rods. So I needed that. But we also got some Vexen rods that are spinning. So we needed to get the spinning guides in. And this is the first batch. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the quantities up and I'm gonna show you a preview what it all is here in just a second. But this is gonna give you all a crazy idea of how much tackle has been coming in and what we're having to do to keep up with the demand, which is, I'm not complaining, but definitely got to keep up. The other thing is too, our YouTubers hear us. So they're also sending us gear for us to be able to continue on with the Spooling library. So if y'all are new to the channel, our Spooling library is strictly that. It's a library of us spooling reels to gain the knowledge of being able to say, hey, when a customer calls, hey, I need a 10,500. How much braid does it hold of 80? I don't know. But now I will, because we got the lines or the reels coming in for us to be able to spool them up and build the line capacity. But because they're also giving us time to, hey man, I'll pick it up in a month or so. It gives me time to run 40 pound, 60 pound, 80 pound, 100, 130, and whatever other braids that we have in-house that we use a lot of and sell a lot of, strictly to build a knowledge library. That's what we're doing, guys. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, that's why we do it. You'll see us a lot of times doing a lot of spooling videos, but it's because we got to gain the knowledge. I really don't go off of what they put on the reels because we're not spooling it up the same way. So that's why we do it. And those are the, ooh, that's a nice handle on there. Ugh. All right, so, ooh. Oh man, another one. So we got a spin fisher and a pin slammer. Will they hold the same amount of line? It looks like they do, but will they? I don't know. We'll find out here pretty soon. On that note, so that's shipment. We got the handles there, but we don't need them on for the spooling. I have not opened this one. I slid it open. I was like, oh, I almost forgot to open it. Well, to record, so. Okay. All right. We got some butt caps, size 24s. More size 24s. Size 24, size 24. These are for the Team Hard Life rods that we got building right now. We're trying to stay ahead of the curve. We're selling about 5 to 6 Team Hard Life rods per week. So we're still 3 to 4 weeks out on even the new orders because he builds about 4 to 6 a week. And so with that in motion, I was like, you know what, I need to get ahead of this and really do it. So what I did was I ordered enough guides to build like 30 rods. And yes, I'm talking major influx of tackle or guides. And then also too, for the rods that we're doing with the the giveaways, we already have one of the giveaways already, one of those rods already in work. But I wanted to go ahead and start planning and getting all the materials for the next rod that's about to give away on the raffle too. So we've got the unibutts for that as well. These are the black ones. Yes. Very, very nice. I'll do this. And more guides. We've got 20 of the size 16s on here. These are 40 of the size 12s. Yep. Then we got the rod tips for the roller guides. And these are the sealed bearings by Alps. We love using those on our rods. And we've got size 10. We've got another 40 of them right here. Got our third unibutt right there. More rollers. Yep. Okay, those are the wrong butts. These are the wrong butt caps. So for the spinning ones, might be, I will have to double check that. And another 40 of the size 8s. We got 40, 40, 40, and 40, and 20. Yeah. That's a lot of guides, guys. And it's still not done. This is part of that order too. There you go. Got it. There we go. So these are the solid glass rods that we use for our blanks for the Team Hard Life rods for the shark gear. They're 80 130-pound class rods. And I've already caught 12-foot tigers with them, no problem. Especially when you pair them up with an Avid. Yes, sir. Easy money. That, and they can take the power of the low gearing that Avid puts out when you're trying to break your surf weights loose. Like I said, you know, a lot of people don't realize when they buy a reel, pretty much every reel in the market can fight a fish. But for me, it's when I got to go into that low gear to pull in dead weight. Dead weight is, you know, my gear not wanting to come in and being a pain in the butt. Which my surf weights are. They're really, really strong. They stick in really tough current. So what we do is we pair our rod blank with the unibutt. So now we make it 7'6". And I love that length right there because when the reel starts to crank in, it starts doing its job. You know, a lot of times people have these long rods and it just bows and bows and bows and bows and they're wasting all this energy right there. And it's all it's doing is putting more energy on them that they're wasting out too. So, yes sir, this is a lot of tackle, guys. I might have to unbag some just to show y'all this. We've got a serious hardware in today. And this is definitely my biggest order of guides, rollers, and stuff like that that I have placed in a very long time. You know? So it's a real blessing for us, and we're going to keep it going. Alright guys, so just a little heads up real quick. We still got drawing number 6 and drawing number 7 going on. Drawing number 6, we have 37 tickets sold, which means there's only 23 left. Drawing number 7 is 2 winners. Each one will get a rod and reel line tackle combo. It's MXL Raptor with a custom rod and a Vexen bag with tackle to go with it. So 2 winners, 1 rod apiece, rod, reel, line, and combo piece. We're still doing the mini drawings for that as well, so if you want to get into that, the mini drawing tickets are 10 bucks. You win on the mini, you get on the main. Drawing number 7, we have 35 tickets sold, which means there's 45 left. 1 winner, guys. 130 T-Rex rod, reel, line, and tackle combo. That's why I got in the gear, you know, for the individual who wants a 130. But like I said, with any one of these prizes, if it's too big or too small for what you want to fish with, you can pay the difference or use it as credits to get what you want, guys. So this is a huge opportunity to boost your tackle beyond belief right now, especially with drawing number 7. You win drawing number 7 and you say, you know what, I don't want a 130, I want, you know, several MXL rod reel combos, you can get it. So it's just a heads up, guys. This is a real great way to get your tackle in motion. Now, I've got a very special thing to show y'all. So, we got orange, we got chartreuse, we got red, and we got pink. Those are the wraps right there. These 2 are Vexens right here on the right side. These 2 are the Tackle Industries. As you notice, you know, he's going to change up the wraps, you know, so that way each rod is its own individual rod. But here's the difference. These 2 are 50-50 splits. It's actually a 2-piece bait casting rod right there. And yes, right, we're still 3 to 4 weeks out right now on orders. So if you do place an order, be expecting that. But here's something else. A buddy of mine, the rod builder himself, actually one of his aunts passed away, and he's doing a fundraiser to help raise money for the family. So what he's doing, he's got a Virgin 552 blank that he's willing to auction off, will raffle off. So what we're doing is we're going to sell 135 tickets at $20 a piece. Now, what we're also doing is we're throwing an MXL Raptor fully spooled with a Cortland hollow core braid as well. So you're going to get rod, reel, and line with the custom rod, and it is a Virgin 552. So, yes, this is the same rod that y'all seen me pier whip the shark the other day on. So, and yeah, it's your choice, guys. You can have it wrapped up by him or do it, you know, somebody else. But I mean, at this price, for 20 bucks, yes sir, rod, reel, line, combo, ready to rock and roll, guys. So we're gonna start taking orders for this as well. It's a $20 ticket. And again, we're only selling 135 tickets and that's it. The other 2 drawings are still in motion as well. You can send money via Cash App to $Team Hard Life, or you can call the shop and make payment over the phone as well. So again, guys, we have a lot of things going on here at the shop, and we're going to keep it going. Stay tuned because I've got a lot of information to head out there.